Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create vertical scrolling or rolling and credit in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can prepare for the background. Here I have prepared this black background guys, and then I'm going to add text to this project. So I'm going to click on text and then select default text, and then I'm going to paste the credits here because I have already copied from my Microsoft Word. Okay, and then I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, you can customize the size of the text, and then you can change the font if you want. But for the font, I'm just going to select this system font, and then we're going to use keyframe to create the vertical scrolling effect. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to make it almost out of frame, and then we're going to add the keyframe to the text. Okay, add the keyframe here, and then you're going to move to the end part of this text, and then you're going to move it up until it's almost out of frame. Okay, and then I'm going to play it to show you the final result. And then if you want to make it slower, just extend the background like this, and then you're going to adjust the text as well. Okay, and then let's remove the keyframe. Okay, and then I'm going to move here and add the keyframe. Alright, and I'm gonna play it. Okay, as you can see that the movement is getting slower after I extended the duration. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!